Hi, this is Mrs. Knopf, and today I'm going to show you how to play line 4 out of our new beginning band method book on the flute. So we are going to start by going to my band webpage, and from there, go to grade level bands, and then click on beginning band, and it'll bring you to this page. From there, under beginning band method book, you are going to click on the flute bar, and that will bring you to this PDF. I've already scrolled to the page that has line 4. This is called third note down. And you'll notice we start with a treble clef and we have a time signature, which is 4/4 time. There are 4 beats in each measure, and the whole note gets those 4 beats. And it shows you that we are going to play a D. This D is on the 4th line, and I'm going to scroll back up just so you can see on the previous page, this note is shown with a fingering chart. So your D on the flute, we start with this thumb, which is this key right here. And then on the front of the flute, we're going to skip this first key and then press down the second and third fingers. And then with our right hand, all 3 of these keys are going to go down. 1, 2, 3. And we leave the pinky alone so that it's a D and not an E flat. So when you bring it up to you, that's the sound you are going to get. So we are only going to have one note in this particular line. So I'm going to scroll back down, and you'll notice it's just the one note. It's labeled for you at the beginning. We hold this D for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then what would be the 5th count is the beginning of the next measure, and this is your whole rest. So after that, we play D again and rest, and immediately go down to the next line. It's just like reading a book. And then, they try to trip you up just so you're not stuck in a pattern. We have 2 measures back to back that are whole rests, and then we end on the whole note D. So let's get started. So I'm going to make sure I've got my fingers in the right place. There's my thumb, 2, 3. This is all with my left hand. And then my right hand, remember, you're going to be waving at someone, not coming around this way. So 1, 2, 3, and no pinky. So I'm going to scoot over here so you can see my fingers while I play. Here we go. 1, 2, line 4. 2, 3. Next line. 3, 4. 1, 2. Ready. And that's how you play line 4, third note down on the flute. And just to mention, you're not always going to be counting out loud during the rest. That's something that I'm doing to help you keep up with where you are. All right? So good luck.